Alright, in today's video we're going to try to see if we could clear this headlight using a common product.
Bitch, I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started from the bottom.
Stay tuned here. Look at this one. One of the things you need for this project, some cotton balls. We're gonna see if this actually works. See if it works. I wonder how long this is gonna last. Of course, I haven't washed the car either. Sure have it. Check it out. All right. I'm just gonna put some water, wipe it down. Has like this oily residue on it, and just wipe it dry. But it is way better than that. Sure is. Yep. Look at that. All right. Let's do the driver's side headlight here. Sure works. All right. This side, I'm gonna need to wipe it off as soon as possible. Holy shit. So, if you wanted to know, 100% acetone. That's what I use on that other headlight. But, I don't know what happened to this side here. So I get most of this off. Yeah, it's definitely eating up on the plastic now. Yeah, you can feel it. See? See that? Sure fucked it up. Alright. So here we are. A couple minutes later. Found the off. Got some $D40. Cause you know, internet man. And then I found this. Yeah, to clean TVs. Let's try this out first. See if this works. So I'm gotta get fixed up. Anyway, and I'm gonna wipe it off, see what happens. Okay. But I'm gonna try this. I seen it on a. They use cutters though. They don't use all. They spray it on there or something. Spray it on there. Smells like deep woods. Okay. But I don't see it coming off though. Sure ain't. So for my last try, I'm gonna use WD-40. Dude, you guys need to come up with a better spraying thingamajig. Nope, still there. Bro, I'm not mess that shit. Oh, look at that. Man. If you've seen those TikTok videos about using this crap, try it at your own risk. Try it at your own risk, guys, because this is what happens. Yeah, now I am going to try now to take this headlight inside and try it again with the acetone. See if I can fix that, because it works. It works. Why does this one came out like that and the other one didn't? It looks like crap. I have no idea. This is the way you should try it out. Just do a slight little corner. Cause I went in and did the whole thing and I messed it all up. Now I guess I'm gonna have to go buy my wife a new bottle of acetone. She wasn't real happy when she saw me doing this. What are you doing, bro?